Don't forget coloring party every Monday. We love having you here, and you can join in once in a while or all the time. And Grandma does a lot more than just coloring. I'm going to share with you right now. Hope to see you back here again soon. We do lots of different content on our channel. We join in with lots of different channels. Like this one was Alice in Wonderland at Christmas time in July. And we do gardening challenge every Saturday, Garden Tour Saturday 2023. We do Kimmy Kitchen and More. We do You to Me, do shout outs pretty often, as you can see. And I do Garden Tour Thursday. Every Thursday, anyone can join in once in a while or every week. And we do Family Time sometimes on Wednesday. We do Tea Tuesday every Tuesday. And of course, Coloring Party with Friends 2023. That's what I put together for 1 week. As you can see, I'm a busy creator. Come back and see what else we do. We do other things too. My co-hostess is Crafting with Pat, an awesome channel. Please go check her out. You are going to love her. She is so sweet and so kind and so supportive. A great friend to all. You're going to love her channel. She does so many different kinds of projects, joins in with so many different creators out there, and she always has a smile for us and a positive attitude. You need to go check this awesome channel out and see what she has to share. She is awesome, and she always has a big smile for us. And she has a second channel that's gardening. So please go check out Pat's channel and see what she has to share this week for Coloring Party with Friends. My second co-host is Designing with Emma, another great channel. If you love Coloring Party with Friends, you will love her coloring. It's a little different and always makes you feel like you're on vacation. Love her coloring, and look what else she does. She does all kinds of different things on her channel. She does lots of decorating and home shopping and takes you all different kinds of places and shows you all different kinds of things you can decorate with on a budget. And here's one of her colorings that she did last week, like she's on a sailboat sailing off in the ocean with a friend. Doesn't it look like a great vacation? I always thought so. And don't forget, she takes you to lots and lots of things. And you're going to love her shopping trips also, along with all the decor. Here is Jamie's Coloring Kingdom. Oh my gosh, Jamie is a fun guy to watch. And he always has something interesting to share. Does some great graphic work also. You're going to love what he does. If you love coloring, you're going to love his channel. He does lots of coloring pages, shares a lot of coloring books, and does a lot of flip throughs, and he's just a fun guy. I always enjoy watching his videos. He always puts a smile on my face, and he's always positive in his videos. Thanks so much for all your support, Jamie. I really do appreciate it. And now let's go see what Grandma did this week on her coloring party with friends. I have so many great friends. Please go check them out. Good morning to all my awesome friends. You know what time it is. It's Monday. And what do we do on Monday? Coloring Party with Friends. And I'm coloring in this beautiful coloring book, large print, calming, easy coloring and framing book. It has 31 relaxing coloring pages, and they are very nice. They're big prints, so they're easy to color, and they're not a lot of work, not a lot of detail work on most of the pages. There's a few that you got to work pretty hard on, but most of them are easy to color. And I really enjoy this book. And I have 2 pages that I completed this week. Now don't forget, anyone can join in every Monday. Just make sure to put the title, hashtag Coloring Party with Friends 2023. Please check out my co-hostesses, and also please check out anyone that joined in. We want to give love and support to everyone for all the work they did. Now let's go see the 2 pages that I colored today. And here's my first page of 2. I thought it turned out pretty nice. What do you think? I mostly did gel pens on this, and I was very happy how it turned out. I did do quite a bit of blending with different colors. The leaves, I usually use a couple different shades of green, a little bit of orange and yellow, and sort of blend them together to come up with the colors you see. And of course the flowers were like with yellow and pink, and I thought they did pretty well too. Now to do the background, I dabbed all the colors that I used on this page on a damp paper towel, and then I dabbed all of it around the background. And that's how I did that. We will show this process in the next video that we put together, because I feel like it's an easy way to color the background, give some depth to the coloring, not just leaving it white. And you know, when you get to a certain point in life, you don't want to spend 3 days doing a page, especially when we're busy doing everything else. So what do you think? Also, what I love about this book, it has a ring binder, as you can see. And the ring binder makes it easy to have the book lay flat for you can color. Another thing I like, it only has the page on one side. That way, when things bleed through, as you can see on the other page here, we're not getting all upset because the original page is still in excellent condition and it didn't mess up another page. So that's how I love to color, and what do you think? I thought it turned out pretty good. Leave me a comment in the comments section. And here is our second page. I thought this one turned out really good, and what do you think? It had like a stained glass look to the drawing, so I was very happy that I was able to find so many things to color. And I'm really happy that you can see all the glitter pens that I used. Normally I can't get a good enough angle. You can see all this here and over here. Doesn't it look shiny and wonderful? I really did enjoy it. And I also did a lot of blending in this also, not on each one of the little panes, but I did do some blending because stained glass does have that look. And I did some blending on my leaves, and I was very happy how it turned out. What do you think? Do you like this style? Or do you think I should have left everything flat? Some of them are flat, as you can see. There's no edging on the edges of blending different colors in. Like this, I added another color in here to put something in. These leaves were blended. You may or may not be able to tell. There's more than one color here and here. And of course, the leaves, as you can see, have multiple colors in them. I really liked how this page turned out, and now that I can see that it's filming the glitter pen so well, I'm even more happy. And usually you can't even see the shininess from the glitter pen when I film these videos. I'm trying to get better at filming to show the different techniques I use and how pretty it really is. Sometimes they just film too flat. The background, I did the same as the last one. I got a damp paper towel. I took some of the colors from this drawing, mixed them together on the damp towel, and just dabbed all around the background. Now this one was a little different. These techniques here were all the same, and here at the bottom they were a little different, but I did the same technique. I'm just practicing and trying to see what I can do to make my pages look nicer and making the actual drawing pop off the page more. So let me know what you think. And let me know what you think about the ring binder over here. I really like those pages. That way they lay flat and you can even flip them over, and they're easier to take out also without messing up your coloring. And I really, really love this book, and I'm probably going to see if I can buy another 3 or 4 of these kind of books because they're so much easier for me to color. I'm left-handed, so because of that, it's the only thing I don't like about the ring binders, because I'm left-handed and my hand's in the way of those little rings. But except for that, that's my only drawback on them. Well, I'm going to hope to see you guys here again soon for Coloring Party with Friends 2023. We do this every Monday. You can put your coloring up anytime on Monday. and we really enjoy all of you that are joining in for this challenge. Thank you all so much.